Alright, good morning. Today is 25th of May, and let's get started with Bitcoin. Let's go with hard time frame first. So my premise is still the same that we've put in a major high here, and I do believe that the draw on liquidity is to the downside now. And what we are seeing currently now is a dead cat bounce, in my opinion. We have a swing high from the previous week, swing low. I did have a nice long setup from previous analysis that to get long here, but I failed in execution, so it didn't work out. Uh, I, I failed to basically short it, long it, sorry, and that is because I was short BNB. I had a short from here, I had a short from here, I had a short from here. And after this move, I got married to my bias, my direction, and this was basically what happened. And I thought that, I simply disregarded my analysis. I haven't had the idea that if we make an SFP or a deviation and if we reclaim the anchored VWAP here, that's basically the uptrend anchored VWAP from the lows here. I want to be long, but I didn't execute. Then price moved up here. I shorted. Well, that's what happened, right? Then I took a nice short right here, realized some profits here, longed it, closed it, then longed it again, got stopped out. Well, it's a mess. My execution is still a mess. But let's get to the analysis today. So we have a downtrend anchored view coming up nicely. Let's do the analysis first on the higher time frame. So the draw on liquidity is still the previous week high here. If we fail to hold it above here, right, and we deviate back below, that's a short signal for me, and I'll look for the downside. But if we reclaim, start getting acceptance above the previous week high, then I think the draw on liquidity would be towards 81,000, somewhere here. All right. Monthly, quite bearish in my opinion. That looks like an SFP, something to note. And we also kind of filled the FVG here. I didn't realize we had one before. So yeah, there's still unfilled FVG up there as well. But yeah. So my bullish line in this end would be getting acceptance above previous week high right here is my bullish line in the sense. So if we get accepted above, nice, follow through to the upside. If we fake and break below, draw on liquidity to the downside, in my opinion. This is still a swing high. This is our bigger range here that I marked out, swing low, swing high. We could still be trading there, but I don't know if we can get there. So this is our swing low currently, swing high, and we're working within the range. The only place I'd look for a meaningful bounce is still around this zone. That's a golden pocket. That's a 61 of the whole range here, of this whole pump. Also, we have weekly single prints, and of course, I think the uptrend VWAP is somewhere there as well. Yeah. So that's the idea, and also we have quarterly, monthly, and weekly horizontal levels right there, lined up pretty nicely. So I think there is a high degree of chance that we see some local support right there. Okay. That's for the Bitcoin. Currently it's pushing towards the resistance zone that I marked out. I'm willing to be a short player here. Again, if we fake it out, come back down below I short with a stop invalidation above the highs. But if we fake it out, for example, if we break out, get acceptance, I'm not gonna be shorting it, I'm gonna be looking for the upside. But it can also happen that we come down, failed break below, I'll need to see the order flow to judge it. And if we reclaim it, then I'm not sure if I'm gonna long this, but yeah, this can be a deviation back down under the level, and reclaim, we can send higher. That's the idea going forward. We have confluence of downtrend anchor VWAP, some rolling VWAPs as well, 30-day rolling VWAP. I don't think I have any major VWAPs there. Yeah, nothing there. Neither on yearly. So yeah, that's the idea. And what else is there? Let's check order flow real quick. We have weekly TPO that's around 79-100. 79-100 is around here. So we're basically pushing into the area of resistance. But the setup wise, that would be a failed break. This is a failed. See, this was the line in the sand, and this failed fake out above, and we're currently backtesting the breakdown. So why I'm saying so much fake? So yeah, what's up on the order flow? Order flow being bullish from the low. I mean, it's pushing up nicely. No new. Well, we had some absorptions in play, but nothing major. What I want to focus on is if I go to Bybit USDT pair, right? There is a major deviation here. Let's go on H1 for example, and the deviation here is that we're pushing to the new highs, while the high that led to the new lows, right? The CVD is fairly to the downside, all right? You can see this. So there could be another deviation play there. So something to watch out for, in my opinion. And yeah, is there anything else I want to cover? Not really. That's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Simple analysis, simple strategy, nothing much. So one more time, push, right? I want to see a push here. Failed breakout, come down. If this is a deviation, I short with a stop here. Continuation, nice. But if we reclaim this, right, then I will assume I'll be judging it on 30 minutes and 1 hour. Maybe I'll take a look at 4 hour and 12 hour as well. If we close above this, so if we push up and the higher time frames close above the level here, or we can even judge with the previous week high, then I'll assume that the drawn liquidity is towards the previous month high, which is also 2 weeks composite value area low, and next resistance is the weekly naked point of control and 2 weeks composite value area high. That basically it for the idea. All right. Okay. Thank you, and see you on the next one.